Hi everyone, and welcome to section 6.2, where we talk about tables and bar charts. Okay, so here we have a table and a bar chart. And this table concerns caffeine content of hot drinks. So here you have brewed coffee, instant coffee, tea, cocoa, and decaf. And here's the associated caffeine in milligrams, so 170, 55, and 4. And now you have it here in picture form, which is a bar chart, and it's a lot nicer to see. You can see the difference in the content very easily when you have a bar chart. And being able to understand charts and graphs like that is super important, especially in just different fields, like all kinds of studies. When you use statistics, when you want to make a decision, when you want to organize your data, you want to create a presentation. So it's really helpful. Okay, so a little bit about this bar chart. You have here the horizontal line. This is the horizontal line, right? Because it looks like the horizon. We call this the x-axis or the horizontal axis. And the vertical line, the line that goes up and down here, we call that the vertical axis. Okay, so the horizontal axis usually has the name of things, and the vertical axis will have the numerical value to each one. So let's say here brewed coffee has 100 milligrams, so there we go, the bar goes all the way up to 100. Instant goes all the way up to 70, tea goes up to 50, CT 50, cocoa 5, so 5 here, and then 4 decaf. Okay, so let's do a super fun example. Okay, so this table here gives the repair bill from damage done to a car from 4 separate crashes at 5 miles per hour. So let's construct a bar chart. Let's go ahead and mentally round the numbers in the table, or I'll write them down, of course, to the nearest 100 so we can better estimate how tall we want the bars. So this number is approximately 2100 here, right? 2451 is approximately 2500. This one here is approximately 3000. Okay. 3,807 rounded to the nearest 100 is 3,800. Here we have 5,259 to the nearest 100. This goes, remember we round up because it's a 5, right? So that would be 5,300. And then this one we're rounding to the nearest 100, and we look at the 7, so it goes up, so this would be 6,600. Okay, so we're going to basically graph that. So the Mitsubishi Galant is at 2100, so that would be about here, 2100, really close to 22,000. Okay, and then the Maxima would be 2500, so that's like right in the middle between 2000 and 3000. The Acura here we have 3000. So it would be over here. The Chevy Malibu would be 3,800, so closer to 4,000 here. Okay, and we just create a bar. The Chrysler Pacifica, 5,300. That would be closer here to 5,000, right? Maybe even a little lower than that. Okay, and then the Cadillac is 6,600, so that'll be over here. Okay, so those are your bars, right? They're each associated with their own name, and then you can go ahead and fill it out. You can do pretty much whatever you want. You can use Excel too. They have some options. Okay, so now we can see, okay, which one has the highest damage, in terms of money, and it's the Cadillac, right? We could just see that. Oh, and then that's it again. That's the, what if we wanted to find the mean, the average, right? So if we wanted to find the average, let's suppose we calculated the average, and it would be like 3,900 about. Okay. And that is a blank page, and I'm not sure why. Okay, so here The table lists the number of seconds it takes various cars to accelerate from 0 to 60 miles per hour. Let's construct a bar chart, then find the difference in elapsed time between slowest and fastest. Okay, so here we go. The bar chart's already made. So we have here 7.4 for the BMW, 6.7 for the Ford, Mazda is 8.8, Porsche is 5.2, Toyota's 5.3, and the Volkswagen is at 7.5. So notice that they're all the correct height, right? Okay, so we need to find the difference in elapsed time between slowest and fastest. So looking at the chart, you can see which one's the fastest, right? So that's Mazda, so 8.8 minus, and then the slowest is here at 5.2. So then the difference is going to be 3.6 seconds. Okay, so that's the difference. And that's it for section 6.2. Your super fun homework will be 1 through 6 all, okay? And I will see you guys on the next video. Good luck and happy studying.